This is how to reset your iPhone to factory settings without losing any data. Now, first we want to save all our data into iCloud. That's how we will save all the data that we need to be saved. So we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna hit our name. We're gonna go to iCloud. And the first option you see here, let's click manage account storage. And this is the list of everything that we have saved into our iCloud currently. So if we'd like to get rid of something and we don't care about it being in the cloud, then we can press on it and delete the data like that. You can go through here and delete anything that you might not care about. Once you've done that, we're gonna go back. All right, the second tab here, it says apps using iCloud currently. Here it says manage how apps and features on his iPhone sync with iCloud. So any of these options here that you see they're on, they are currently using iCloud to save its data. So like for Safari, for example, a new website that I've been on, since that is saved, it is now in the cloud. Here you see device backups. Here, right here, this option is arguably the easiest way to back up all your things. You press backup now and go through all the steps. It will be saved into the cloud. All right, now that we understand iCloud, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back again. We're gonna go down to general right here. We're gonna scroll all the way down till we see transfer or reset iPhone. Here it says make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone. That is true. Make sure everything is good to go. Once you think you have everything backed up, we're gonna press erase all content and settings right here. Once you press that, it's gonna ask you a bunch of questions to make sure you have everything set up. Make sure you have everything that you want saved. Once you go through all the steps, you press reset iPhone and it will reset your iPhone. And it will reset your iPhone with the factory settings. Now, since you're erasing all your content and going back to factory settings, once you restart your phone again after erasing everything, your phone is going to act like a brand new phone. So you're gonna have to go through the steps of creating a passcode, connecting your account, most importantly, connecting your iCloud account. Once you get to the iCloud section in your brand new factory reset phone, then there will be this option to ask you for a backup. You will see the most recent backup that has happened for your iPhone. We're gonna press that and everything from the cloud will come back into your phone. That is how to reset your iPhone without losing all your data.